Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in Figma. First, open Figma app on your Mac OS, or you can also create an account in Figma website. Go to any browser and go to figma.com, and here you can easily create an account by clicking on this register option. And if you have downloaded Figma app on your Mac, then go to the launchpad and open Figma app. After that, here if you already have an account and if you want to log into your account, then click on this login with browser. It will lead you to the website of Figma, and if you don't have an account, you can click on create one option. Now you can create an account with your email ID, or you can directly sign up with your Google ID account. Here I am using my Google ID. Now, after you have successfully created an account, click on this Open the Desktop app. And following the simple and easy step, you have now created a new account in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.